Hello everybody, today I want to show you where can you find HDMI in your LG Smart TV. Now, the first option, what is HDMI? Is a port, okay? With HDMI, example, you can connect your console or your PC, whatever you want, okay? What do you want? Example, in this case, I have my Nintendo Switch connect, okay? This cable through, I don't know how to say, pass here, okay, come here and connect here, okay, back. Now when you are connect your console or whatever, okay, in your control you need to find this button, okay, here, this button with this symbol, okay, touch here and then appear this menu. Can you see HDMI? Different ports. This is port 3, okay. I select this and put HDMI port, and this is all that you need to do if you want to see or watch your HDMI port. And this is all. This is the same thing with other smart TV or TV, okay. If you have Samsung, you can make the same, okay, and see your HDMI port. And this is all for this video. Have a good day. Sorry for my bad English.